Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into reading stories on your phone, you're going to want to stick around because I've got something pretty cool to show you. Today I'm checking out the new GoodNovel mod, and yes, it's fully working on both Android and iOS. This version has a built-in mod menu that pops up when you tap the gear icon, and the main thing it lets you do is unlock unlimited coins. There are also a few extra tweaks in the menu, so it's more than just the coins. But to make sure it works smoothly, you need to have the most recent version of GoodNovel installed. If you're not sure where to find the mod, don't worry. I've left a comment under this video with everything you need to know, so make sure you watch till the end to see it in action. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more app mods and tricks like this one. As you can see, the mod is now adding the coins automatically. No waiting around, no extra steps, it just works. If it works for you too, let everyone know by dropping a quick comment. I'd love to hear what stories you're unlocking first. Thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing if this helped you out. You can get this mod right now on appheaven.top.